Hey, how's it going, people of YouTube? Today, I have an extremely special unboxing for a few reasons. Number one, it is pre-1933 gold. Number two, it is the first 1 ounce gold piece I have. Currently, as of the moment, I really only have like a third of gold as far as fractional, but this will actually like break the barrier, and this will be my first 1 ounce gold coin. It is the St. Gaudens design double eagle. And as I said, this is pre-1933, so it's a little bit extra special. I placed this order around early September of 2018. That's when I uploaded this video. And I think gold was hovering around $1,200 an ounce. So somewhere in that neighborhood. And since this has a little bit more of numismatic value as far as collectors, I think I paid like 13 something for this, 1320, 1340, something in that neighborhood. But I'm extremely glad and extremely thankful for having the opportunity to own something as special as this. I just sell a few knives from my knife collection to be able to afford this, but I think it'll be worthwhile, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it right now. I actually don't think I need a knife for this. I think I can just rip this open. Yeah, it's just glue. Alright, there we go. Okay, so make sure there's no invoice. I think the invoice is actually in the package right here. So we can discard that box, and here it is. It's in here. So take that off and figure out a way to open this without harming anything. Here we go. There's the invoice right there. Take that out. Oh, this is a big moment. Very big moment. So here we go. Wow. $20 gold piece, St. Gaudens, double eagle, in almost uncirculated AU condition. And we got 1922. Wow. And I'm trying to look at that mint mark right there. Let me zoom in just a little bit. Wow, I'm not sure what that is. It almost looks like a C and an A. I'll have to do more research into that. But wow, this is it. Look at that. $20. Take it out here. That's crazy. So there it is. That's a big milestone in my gold stack right there. 1922 St. Gaudens double eagle. See, the face still has beautiful detail on it. There's a little bit more there. You can make everything out, even the little buildings. It's in beautiful shape. 1922. See that right there? Got the stars on the side. Right there. Flip it over. And there's the eagle right there. Wow. I am blown away at that. That's just amazing. That's a huge, huge addition to my gold and silver stack. That's beautiful. And as far as actual gold content, I think this is right under an ounce, maybe 98% actual gold, and the rest is copper. But still, nonetheless, it's still got all that beautiful luster. You can just see it. Still got that gold shine. So that's probably gonna take the cake for the most amazing unboxing there will be on this channel. Maybe one day I'll do something a little bit more extreme, but for now that is just incredible for progress. That's it next to the knife. But yeah, that's just insane. Such a beautiful, beautiful coin. I'm filming using the iPhone 8 Plus, by the way, just in case anybody's wondering. But yeah, I think that about wraps it up for the unboxing. And put it right back there on the APMEX little coin slip. So, as always, I appreciate you watching. Thanks for taking the time out of your day to view my channel. If you like the content, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. There will be a lot more things of this nature. And yeah.